We are so excited. The third day is always the biggest and the best.
It gets everybody together to talk, discuss opportunities, and perhaps the most important thing is to talk about the future of licensing.
This graph here just shows the correlation between digital spend and the effects on influencers.
This is not a moment. Black Lives Matter is a movement.
I think the future trends will be a lot of with sustainability.
A lot of people are venturing into luxury.
We notice there's generally in brand protection, there's a huge shift from the actual physical label to the digital solution becoming the most important thing.
The whole digital activation and the NFT, blockchain, crypto.
Collabs is definitely a hot topic.
We've had hundreds and hundreds of meetings over the last 2 days.
They've been big brands, big licensors.
So positive, such an amazing response.
Great possible partner and licensee, covering Europe.
We had somebody on from Spain, somebody from France earlier. It's the heart of the licensing industry.
It's been absolutely amazing. It's probably one of the best things I've ever done in my life.
So see you next year?
Definitely.
We'll be definitely coming back.
We'll absolutely be here.
So we actually booked our hotel for the next year already, so we're definitely coming back.
Definitely back next year, and yeah, we can't wait for it.
That's it from License Global TV, sponsored by Pokemon.
Right here from Brand Licensing Europe 2021. We'll see you next year.